Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited free traffic to ClickBank offers, ClickBank affiliate link with a niche that's crushing it, and you can make thousands of dollars every single month on completely autopilot with only doing 30 minutes a day. That's right, 30 minutes a day will do the job for you. 30 minutes a day will allow you to make thousands of dollars in commissions. You don't need a product, you don't need a website, you don't need a blog, you don't need a landing page, you don't need to you don't need to hire anyone, you don't need any technical skills. This is something that you can do for free, and you can start making thousands of dollars in commissions every single month. And we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, promoting someone else's product and promoting a ClickBank product, and I'm going to show you how it's all done. Now, before I dive into this video, please smash the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. Share this video with the people you care, hit that share button, share it on different platforms because it could help someone change their life. And if you have any questions or you want me to cover any kind of topic, just leave a comment for me and it will be more than appreciated. And guess what? I have a special bonus for you, and I'm going to talk about that bonus, okay, at the end of this video. So let's dive into this video. So how can you promote other people's products and start earning commissions online for free? So let's dive into this. First of all, what you want to do, you want to go to ClickBank and you want to choose a product. And we're going to choose health and fitness for this purpose, because health and fitness, let me show you something. Check this out. 890 gravity score. I think, well, this is what I believe, this is the highest gravity score product on the whole ClickBank Marketplace. This person, as a product owner, is perhaps generating millions of dollars every single month. No joke. 890 gravity score. I have not seen anything higher than this in the last 12 years on ClickBank. Okay, let's just look into this product. Now, just because the gravity score is 890, that just means that not one, not two, not 1,000, probably over 100,000 people are promoting this product and making a lot of money. So let's look into this product. It seems like it's a physical product, okay? So basically you're not promoting a digital product, you're promoting a physical product. And when a person purchases product, he's going to get these weight loss bottles, okay, straight to his doorstep. So check this out, okay? Not bad. Right. Okay, so it looks like a good sales page. It's got everything that we need about ingredients, frequently asked questions, free bonuses, etc. Now, if you want to promote this product, you're just going to click on this promote button, get your affiliate link, okay? And we could see this product is going to pay us $135.90. I guess this is including the upsell. Now, there's one more important thing that we need to look into, and that is, will this page load like this on a mobile device? This is very important, because whenever you start driving traffic, half of your traffic, in fact more than half of your traffic, is going to come from mobile devices. So if your page is not mobile friendly, you're going to lose all that traffic, okay? So let's just look into this, and we could see, yep, this is mobile friendly landing page, a sales page, okay? So it's a good for us to go. Another good part about this product is that they have an affiliate page, okay, which means that it's a win-win. You use their tools to promote their products, and they will, when you make a sale, they get the credit, you get the credit. That's how simple it is, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to start promoting this product. We're going to get our affiliate link. So we're going to click on promote. We're going to add our nickname. Scroll down, and let me just do that again. Okay, so okay, click on continue. Scroll down, and this is going to be my ClickBank affiliate link. I'm just going to copy this link here, okay? Copy this link, and you just want to go to a page called Tiny URL. Paste. Okay, wait for that capture to load. It's going to take its time. There you go. Okay, I just need to verify myself if I'm a human. Click on show URL, and there you go. This is going to be my ClickBank affiliate link. Now we need to start driving some traffic. Okay, now I told you I'm going to give you a bonus. Now before I dive into this free traffic source, I want to give you my bonus. Okay, a website address is popping up right on your screen right now. Okay, a website address is popping up right on your screen. Go to this website address and you're going to get access to my 7-figure email system. How other people are generating 7 figures sending simple emails. You're going to get access to complete training videos for you to lock into. Okay, this is free. I'm giving away this for free. This is going to show you how to do email marketing, how to drive traffic, unlimited traffic using email marketing, and how to get unlimited sales and commissions with email marketing and build a 7-figure business doing simple emails. Okay, walk through step by step, all done for you. Okay, and it's free. Just go to this website address and you could go through the training videos and watch all the training videos. If you don't find it, if you can't see the website pop up on the video, then check my description box. It should be in my description box, this free training system. Okay, if you still can't find it, just leave a comment for me and I will send it over to you. Alright, so this is just a free gift. I'm giving it to you as a subscriber. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Okay, and stay tuned, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you some of the big wins. That's right, wins of people, beginners with no experience, no technical skills, making thousands of dollars in commissions. Not just that, they're making 100% commissions, 100% profit with products and services. And you're going to get access. You're going to have a chance to get access to these products and services. And I'm going to show you the wins. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. So let's dive into this. We need to start driving some traffic to this link here. Okay. So how do we drive traffic? We're going to use this source called Instagram. So let me just go to the search first, and let me just type in a couple of stuff. I've already done my research here. I'm going to click on this. Check this out. Can you see this? This is a ClickBank link. This person's promoting ClickBank offers. 4,000 followers, 19 followings, only 15 posts, but look at the engagement. 161 hearts, 148 comments, 99 hearts, and before and after pictures. You can do this too, my friend. No paid traffic required. You can start getting unlimited free traffic. The question is, are you ready? Are you willing to spend at least 30 minutes a day to do this every single day? What's going to be your focus? Number one, you're going to create at least 1 to 2 posts on a daily basis. Number two, you're going to write this profile telling people what you intend to do. Number three, you're going to increase your following. How do you do that? Number one, you're going to do that by following other people. You're going to start leaving comments. You're going to start searching into weight loss. Start watching video reels and posts, commenting, liking others. So you're telling the Instagram algorithm what your post and what your interest is all about. So whenever you put a post, they're going to send it out to all those people. All right. And then number 4, you're going to continue to do this until your following increases, your traffic increases, and your post starts to go viral. Now you might be asking one question, hey, this sounds very good. I want to do this. I want to make money. Can this work with other affiliate networks? Of course. Can it work with another affiliate product? Of course. Can it work with make money online products? Of course. Can it work in another niche? Of course it can. You can do it. I'm just giving you an example of weight loss. It could work with anything. And shall I tell you one more thing? You know which product is the hottest product that's converting right now so crazy with Instagram, and all these top-notch people are promoting these ClickBank products on Instagram because it's converting very well? Shall I give you the secret? Let me spill the beans for you, okay? Because you're a valued viewer and I am guessing you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. So I want to give away everything in this video so you can appreciate and you can learn and be the best when it comes to becoming a super affiliate. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. Okay, so let's get into this. Which product are these lot promoting? I'm just going to go back into ClickBank and I am going to type in okay, let's just do this. Alright, this is the product. Okay, this is the product people are promoting on Instagram. You know why? Because this is converting like hotcake. It's got a 92 gravity score. Alright, and if I click on it, look what this is all about. Check this out. You can promote this product, okay? Just like others are promoting it. It's a product related to weight loss. It's a product related to diet. If you just come to ClickBank, they're going to pay you $21.39. Okay, and if you click on the promote button, you can get your affiliate link and start promoting. And all these top-notch weight loss people are promoting that product. This is a ClickBank product. You can see here, hop.clickbank. Okay, so this is a ClickBank product. Now, one more question left. This sounds so great. I'm gonna crush it. Right, you are. How do you make these posts? Very easy. Let's just go to our Canva. Yeah. Okay, now before I show you how to create a post, let me show you some of the wins, okay? And this is what you're going to get access to. Check this out. This person made $900. Alright? This person made $600. This person just crossed $30,000. Okay? Wins. And that first $100. $900 this morning, just 12 hours ago. Okay? 13 hours ago, $600. Let's just keep going over. Just hit over 10K. These are all the wins I'm showing you in real proof. Check this out. 10 hours ago, posted, made $1,814.08. Okay, in 90 days. In 90 days sprint. Okay. And it keeps coming up. $30,000 in 90 days. Okay. Another $300 sale. $1,200 in January. Another $900, and it keeps coming. You know what this is all about? Having your own product done for you. System done for you. All the setup done for you. Payment done for you. Gateway done for you. Email follow-ups done for you. Everything done for you and given to you on a silver platter. A complete done for you business in a box, and you earn anywhere from $100, $300, $600 and $900. 100% commission, 100% profit. No more fluff, no more cut, no more garbage. It's straight to the point. You get a complete done for you business in a box with full training. Everything given to you on a silver platter with a community to help you all the way through. And you're making 100% profit, 100% commission by selling the product. The product is all done for you, ready for you to sell. All the system is done for you. All the setup is done for you. All the payment gateway is done for you. You could accept direct payment into your bank account. You could accept payment of cash. You could accept payment in PayPal. Everything done for you. Would you like access to this? If you said yes, click the link in my comment box below this video where I'm giving away a training where you're going to learn how to make 10K in 30 days. In your first 30 days, hit that 10K. Okay, it's a training. Learn from it. See what people are saying. See what other testimonies. And when you see all of that, you're going to say, oh my world, this is something brand new. And you have an opportunity. You have a chance this year in 2025 to change your life. It's up to you now. Whether you're going to take action or you're just going to ignore it like most people do, and they keep waiting for that shiny object to come, that push button software. Okay, so it's up to you. Earn 100% profit. Okay, and become an authority in your niche with this 100% done for you product system that's going to pay you thousands of dollars every single month. Link in my comment section box below this video. Click on it, watch the videos, look at the testimonials, make a wise decision and go all in. Why? Because this is something that could potentially change your life permanently. All these people can't be wrong, my friend. All these people can't be wrong. Let me just go to the second page. Okay. Another $900, $10K a month. Okay. And there we are here to help. We are here to show you what's working. We are here to show you how to crush it online. Okay. Look at this, 3 times $900 commission, another $900 before breakfast, $1,600. Do you really think these people are crazy? Yeah? These people are just posting anything like that. Look at this. You have 49,000 people in this community. You're going to get access to everything. You're going to get access to all these classrooms. By the way, these are bonus products, okay? These are bonus that you're getting access to. Getting started right, digital growth ecosystem, digital growth monthly members, 0 to 30K, the ultimate 90-day blueprint, okay, mindset training, weekly tech support and Q&A calls, okay, content vault, replays, free webinars, and then 6-figure in 6 months, social media training, and everything else. You're getting access to all of this, plus the training, the product, the system, the complete done for you business in a box, the setup system. If you're interested and serious, link in my comment section box below this video. So let's dive into this. How do you create these posts? Canva. Simple. Come here. Okay. Or you could go to create a design. And you will see here Instagram. Instagram story. Instagram. Let's just click on it. Okay. And then you just want to come here. You want to put something here, and you just want to, like, you could have some kind of, these are some done for you posts that you can use. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put something like smoothies. Okay, check this out. Oh my word, check this out. Doesn't that look good? That looks great, right? And then I could just edit the text. I could change it up this a bit. 21 diet plan. Okay, there you go. Strawberry smoothie. I could just change the color. I could change this. I could copy. I could share it. I could download it and then just upload it to Instagram. And this is what you're going to do on a daily basis. I promise you, I'm going to show you a method that's going to be free traffic source. I told you that I am going to share something that's so powerful that could potentially change your life. Now it's up to you whether you want to take action or not. You want to follow the steps or not. If you have any kind of question, just leave a comment. I'm here to help you. I want to see you make $20,000 a month from the comfort of your home. If you are ready to join, and if you are ready to take massive action, website address popping up right on your screen right now. Go there, start earning 100% profit, okay, and become a winner just like all these winners. You want my help? One-on-one help? I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to jump on Skype. I'm willing to show you what's working. I'm willing to give you the pages, everything. You want my advice? You want someone to support you all the way through? You want someone to show you what to do step by step? You got it here. Go ahead, take action. I promise you your life is never going to be the same again. And I promise you will be thankful and grateful, and you'll pray for me.